Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about United Nation Organization. Before we start about United Nation Organization, we need to know the background of it. In the 20th century, the world witnessed the World War I. They saw devastation, destruction, and after this destruction, loss of life, loss of wealth, they decided for a peace organization to maintain the peace and security of all the nation. They decided to form an organization that was League of Nations in 1919. But League of Nations failed as an international organization to maintain peace, and the result was again World War II. But after the World War II, all the member states came together and they decided to form another organization, more planned manner, more properly designed. So after several discussions and conferences, United Nations came into existence on 24th October 1945, which is celebrated as United Nations Day all over the world. When it started, it had only 51 members, but currently it has 193 members in United Nations. The sole purpose of United Nations is to maintain international peace and security. There are multiple committees under international organization. We will discuss about it. So the United Nations organization formed after Second World War to maintain the international peace and security, to promote human rights for people, to protect the future generation from the devastation of the war. So the negative side of the war was shown by United Nations organization. So here it is written 191 nations, but presently it has 193 member states under United Nations. Not only United Nations is promoting the devastation of war, but it is also promoting other things or other issues which the world is facing now, other global issues like terrorism, like pandemic situations, or like education problem. So United Nations is also dealing with all this problem apart from war and maintaining peace. So now United Nations organization is not limited to war. It is taking care of global issues, managing medical care like pandemic situation. You have seen World Health Organization is working hard. So World Health Organization is an agency of United Nations organization. So different agencies are there under United Nations. They are working hard with the global issues like terrorism, medical care, education problem, constructions of road, international trade, and different other things. So now we will discuss about the 6 organs of United Nations. Very important part of the United Nations are the 6 organs who perform their duty separately. The 6 organs of United Nations is first is General Assembly. All the member states of United Nations are the members of General Assembly. It is the center where all the members meet and they have debate and discussions. Next is Security Council. Security Council is the main function is to maintain peace and order, to settle disputes if there is any international dispute, to maintain the peacekeeping policy. Security Council consists of, we will discuss about Security Council after this. Next is International Court of Justice, who settle the disputes if the member states are having any kind of disputes with each other. Next is Economic Social Council. They promote and solve the problem. Make sure Social Council maintains health related problem, employment, then drugs related social issues. World Health Organization is one of the agency of Economic Social Council. Secretariat is the spokesperson of United Nations who carries out day-to-day work of United Nations. Next is Trusteeship Council. The council can meet on the request of General Assembly or Security Council. When there is a situation demands, they will meet and they will operate accordingly. Security Council is the main organ of United Nations. Nothing can be done without the approval of Security Council. This is the headquarters of United Nations. which is situated in New York. You can see in the picture. So now we will discuss about United Nations General Assembly. All the members are the members of General Assembly. This is the picture of General Assembly Hall. All the discussion issues related to peace, security, recommend solution, everything takes place in General Assembly Hall. The approval of annual budget, United Nations budget is also decided from General Assembly. All the members are present in General Assembly Hall. The next organ we will discuss is also a very important organ of United Nations is Security Council. Security Council consists of 15 members, out of which 5 are permanent members: China, France, Russia, UK, United States. Nothing can be done without the approval of these 5 permanent members. 10 non permanent members are there from Afro Asian countries, but nothing can be approved or decided without the approval of this 5 members. All the 5 permanent members' approval is required before passing any kind of decision or any kind of law. So Security Council Security Council work is to investigate any dispute which leads to international tension and settle those disputes by negotiation, recommendation. We will continue